So let's say you want to go ahead and then create a table with a few columns for a database, and you want an SQL query for that. So for that, you can simply go ahead and say this: generate a SQL query to create a table with columns, name, and then name, address, age, and gender right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that now, it'll go ahead and generate out a query right here. This is what you have. So create table users, and then name, address, age, and gender. Let me just go ahead and copy this and paste it out over here and run the SQL query, and then you can see that a table is created right here. So now let's say, now for the same table, create 10 dummy data that I can enter and give me SQL query for that. So you can simply go ahead and then ask it to give it more SQL query as well. So you can see that this is what it came up with right here. So now let me just go ahead and copy this, and over here I'm going to paste the SQL query right here, run the query, and then you can see that it has been inserted into the table right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and write SQL queries, that is generate SQL queries as needed inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.